beginner. Japanese symbol for beginner. Japanese symbol for beginner.
Drop the beat.
Japanese symbol for beginner. Japanese symbol for beginner. Japanese.
Hello there, welcome back to another video. So this time we are learning Streamlit using Python 3. So let's get into it. So first of all, let me open my folder in here, and let's say open desktop, make a new folder. Let's name it Streamlit, not this. Streamlit. Already named. Oh, sorry. So let's by the way, I am using Linux for this. I'm not using Windows because Windows is too slow for me. So if you are in Linux, you should open this right click, open it terminal. It will open it. You should write this code space prompt. It will open it in VS Code. It has opened in my second screen. Let me close that. So let me remove that. So if you want to install this Streamlit package, or if you already have, just want to check it. So just write pip3 install a Streamlit. If you already have it, it will say requirement or already satisfied. If you don't, it will automatically install it. So let's make a file name main.py. That's main.py. I am hard coding this for. So let's write this. So say if you want to import it, first of all we have to import the Streamlit. Import. See, if I directly write a Streamlit, it will show error here and problem. Streamlit not defined. First of all, we need to remove this. So let's import it. So we have to import Streamlit, as you can see, as st, because we want to keep it short and sweet. And also import os and write for future. I will understand. You guys will understand. From os import write. It will come. See, now there will be no errors right now. I will open this one. If I write anything, it will show error. So let's say I want to add a header. So let's say st.header, and let's do this, and let's say name it mantra's website. So let's run this. If you want to run this file, write Streamlit run main.py. It will run, and control click this on network URL. It will open it in my browser. As you guys can see, it is mantra's website. Let's first of all do some experiments. Okay. So let's say this is just an experiment. You don't have to do it. So if I say a text, I will put hello there. Hello. And it will show this. So source file has changed. So rerun or always, you have to click on always read. So So you guys can see it is same. So let me decrease this and 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 let's say if I change this mantra, you guys can see mantra. See, when I change this will direct impact to the server. Okay, so I will be closing the server, but you have to just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Yes. Okay, so I have already read the header. So let's say you want to put images in it. So you have to import images. So from file it will show error import image and let's say img is equal to image, and this is very you should do capital I and do image, then put dot open, and so you have to add the party. This is saying that path. So I will import some image and my other sources, and let me import this. It is imported. So let's say, and you have to just right click, copy path, and Ctrl V. It will open. So let's save this. I already got my VS Code. Can do it over here. So let's run this. Why is it still saying this? It will not open it yet, and then you have to write rb dot rb not dot rb comma rb and dot read. And write st dot image and let's do this and write image and width, let's say width is equal to, let's say I want to add it 500, and it will, so let me do this again. No, I already have this. It will be rb pad rb. Why is it telling me error?
2 hours later.
So this is why the error occurred. First of all, you shouldn't write this dot read, and now if I open this, yes, now let me rerun this. And it is open in a second screen. Yes, you can see it. You can even pull it and Yes. So now let's say you want to add some videos to it. So first of all, I'm gonna just close that. Not, and let's say I want to add. Let's me first of all say. So if you want to import videos, so we need to do this. First of all, you have to make a variable name video file is equal to open. So and you have to add path to it. So let's copy path, control V, done. And now here we have to write rb dot read. It's a function, should use dot read. And st dot video. So and name do the variable and open the variable. No, it will not work in now. So first of all, let's say let's again assume it on main.py. And it has opened on my second computer. Yes, it is saying it is working. So let's say it is working. Let's see. If you right click, you can save computer. And let's shut this off. So this is working too. So let's say you want to put an audio file. So audio. So for that you also have to make a variable named audio. Audio slash back file. Open, of course, it is normal for open, and copy the path again. And you have to do this again. rb dot read, and it is very good. So let's see, and st dot audio, and let's show this audio file, and let's write the format is audio and slash mp3, sorry. So you have to write this because the system will want to know that this is a wave file, mp3 file. There are many type of files in this world, so you have to appoint the file. So it is, you have to say format audio slash mp3. If you write mp4, there will be error. So let's run this thing. It will run this thing and control this and open on my second screen, and here you go. It is there. So you can even download this, you can even download this. So and it is working. Let's add an effect to this website because it is too simple, So let's say balloon. So let's write balloon. So first of all, let's say that let's say if button, sorry, I was if st dot button, and let's name it balloon. And let's say st dot balloon. That is already in the thing. And let me first of all let me complete it. And the string no, this one. Okay, my second component. I know it should be working. Yes, please work. Yes, as you guys can see, this is working fine. So let's say I want to add let's add some credits. So let's say st dot text. So let's write so let's write let's say website made by mantra.mehta for any questions. Here, so let's also add my Gmail. Here is my Gmail. By the way, this is my real Gmail. Also write st text again. Text and write my Gmail mantra.mehta at gmail.com. So okay, so I have done that. Let's check this out first. Rerun this. Okay, so yes, as you can see, website made by mantra.mehta. For any question, here is my Gmail, and here is my Gmail. You can just copy this and Gmail. And just you have to post it, and here you go. This is my Gmail. So then let's say I want to add my Discord and my GitHub. So for that you have to write st dot write. Let's check out my Discord and put that in a box and let's put my Discord in. So first of all, let me open my Discord. It is opening. It is open in a second screen, so you guys can see me. So this is my Discord. So let's say it is me. Okay, this is my bots, by the way. So let's make a link, invite, create a new one, copy, copy button. Okay, and Control V. So let's say I added this, so let's do this thing. check out my Discord. If I open this, it should open in Discord. You guys can see my good. So let's also copy paste this and in my GitHub account on GitHub for GitHub. Sorry. Oh, why am I writing this? GitHub. Let's open my GitHub link. It is open on my second computer, second screen actually. Yes, here is. Let's remove that, then add that. So let's it is auto save on. So let's check out my GitHub. Here is my GitHub. You guys can see it. So this is it for today. Yes, I will add a source code in the link in the description. So see you guys later in the next video. Till then, stay safe. See you later.